Hello everyone, welcome to the Story Scholar. In today's story, we'll uncover 5 powerful lessons about finding happiness and inner peace. Lessons that might not be taught in school but are essential for a fulfilling life. Through Emma's journey, we'll also learn some new words and practice using them in sentences, making English learning fun and easy. So, stay with us till the end. Once upon a time, in a quaint, serene village, there lived a young woman named Emma. She was 25 years old, and despite her youth and energy, she often felt overwhelmed, stressed, and uncertain about life. She had spent years working tirelessly, but happiness seemed to always slip through her fingers. One misty morning, Emma decided to go for a walk to clear her mind. As she wandered along a quiet forest trail, she stumbled upon an old cottage with a beautiful garden. Drawn by the soothing aura of the place, she couldn't help but step inside the garden without realizing she hadn't been invited. To her surprise, an elderly woman with a gentle smile was tending to the flowers. This woman was Ms. Lily, the cottage owner, wise, kind-hearted, and known in the village for her calm and peaceful spirit. Emma approached her respectfully, apologizing for entering her garden uninvited.
Recognizing Emma, Ms. Lily welcomed her warmly, curious about what brought her here. Emma sighed and said, "I don't know why, but no matter how hard I try, I can't seem to find true happiness or peace. I feel like I'm constantly chasing something that I can't catch." Ms. Lily nodded knowingly and replied, "I understand, my dear. Finding happiness and peace can be a long journey, but let me share 5 life principles with you that might help you. These are lessons you may not find in books, but they've guided me to a content and peaceful life." Emma eagerly listened as Ms. Lily began her first lesson. Lesson 1, Ms. Lily said, is to practice gratitude every day. Start each morning by thinking of 3 things you're grateful for. It might seem simple, but focusing on gratitude helps us appreciate what we already have instead of constantly seeking more. Emma nodded thoughtfully, feeling a small spark of warmth at the idea. Ms. Lily continued, Lesson 2 is to live in the present moment. We often dwell on the past or worry about the future, missing out on the beauty of today. The present is where life truly happens. Emma thought about this, realizing how much time she'd spent either regretting the past or stressing about what was to come.
The third lesson, Ms. Lily went on, is to let go of control. Life is unpredictable, and trying to control everything only brings stress. Instead, focus on what you can change and accept what you can't. You'll find much peace in acceptance. Emma felt the weight lift slightly from her shoulders as she listened to this piece of wisdom. The more she heard, the more she wished she'd known these things earlier. With a soft smile, Ms. Lily shared the fourth lesson, forgive yourself and others. Holding on to grudges or guilt drains your energy and keeps you stuck in the past. Forgiving isn't about forgetting, it's about freeing yourself to move forward. Emma was touched by these words and felt a sense of liberation starting to bloom within her. She realized how often she'd been harsh on herself for her mistakes. Finally, Ms. Lily shared the fifth lesson, find joy in small things. Don't wait for a grand event to feel happy. Embrace the little things, a cup of tea, a sunset, the laughter of friends. Life's simplest moments are often the most precious. Emma looked at Ms. Lily, feeling as if a veil had been lifted from her eyes. She was no longer searching for happiness in distant dreams but in the present, in herself. With a gentle smile, Ms. Lily asked, "Are you ready to bring these lessons into your life, Emma?" Brimming with gratitude and a newfound sense of peace, Emma replied, "Thank you so much for these invaluable lessons, Ms. Lily. I feel like I finally understand that happiness is a choice I make each day." Today, we learned new words and sentences through this story about happiness and inner peace. Remember, learning English can be enjoyable when you practice regularly. So, keep listening, learning, and growing. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to like, comment, and share how it helped you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next story where we'll continue learning together.